And there we have the bridge. Here we go. We're gonna go under the bridge.
So here we are, just getting packed and ready to go for another camping trip. TL's in there trying to organize everything.
Hey, hey!
So, this is your favorite spot. And where is it?
That we're going to?
Yeah.
McLaren Campground on the Long Sioux Parkway.
Excellent.
The best.
The best.
The best.
So ATVs aren't coming, however...
What's that?
ATVs aren't coming.
But our kayaks are.
Yes. And on the St. Lawrence.
Yep.
So there'll be good fishing too. And that's why we brought the fishing gear.
Uh-huh.
So, come and join us for another adventure.
Bradley, tell us about the drive that we're going to have.
So we're going to follow the 401 east, head down to Prescott, and then we're going to take the parkway down past Morrisburg, and I think it's Ingleside is where we head to, and then turn on to the Long Sioux Parkway,
which is absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, it's amazing. It's about 5 or 6 islands in a row that is connected by bridge, and so there's camping there. I think there's 2 campgrounds, one being McLaren. I'm not too sure what the other one is, but if you're going there for a day trip or a just an afternoon, there's picnicking, there's all sorts of stuff, trails to be enjoyed. Cool.
We're gonna have fun. Sandra is coming with us, my sister.
Hello.
And there we have the bridge to the US of A. We're just going through Prescott. And here we go. We're gonna go under the bridge. There it is.
Turn left onto Ontario 16 North.
Bradley is gonna go check us in.
Okay, here we are at McLaren. And it's the part of the St. Lawrence Park Commission. And we have our Napier, which is a truck tent up for Sandra. And we have our camper, an awning, everything's set up, a little cooking space. And this is our little setup for the next few days.
Bradley,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Well, I'm going to have to do what I did before,
Okay.
which was technique, strength of muscle.
SpongeBob
because
technique.
She is still as dull as before. So I did not learn as before. So, technique, I repeat myself. Ready?
You have to put your hand behind your back, stand on one foot.
A sumo wrestler.
Now swing. Bada 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 swing.
Bada bada boom. Did you see that? That was all about style.
Oh yes.
That's skill, honey. It was skill.
Oh, yeah.
You become the wood. You
Just
are
perfect.
the wood.
Yeah.
So when I'm making a fire, I use a number of things. I use lint that I get from the dryer, and it is an amazing, so you just light it up and the fire starts immediately. So I put that throughout, and then of course I cut my kindling to small pieces, and she starts right up without any question. So if you ever want to get rid of that lint, there's a perfect use for it. I loaded everything up, pre-made it, and then put our lint in, and then here's all you do is you just start her up and she starts on fire, and within seconds she will be burning. So Chiao,
Yep.
what are we making for dinner?
We are going to have, I don't even know what you call these.
They are taco in a bag.
They're like tacos, yeah, they're tacos in a bag. So we're thawing out some hamburger here. And then we're gonna put all kinds of spices and stuff in it and throw in some peppers, tomatoes, that kind of thing. We have some cheese, some lettuce, some salsa.
And then it goes into,
And then we take the bag of Doritos and we crunch them up and we throw the food in. And then we eat
oh,
it out
I
of
can't
the
wait
bag.
to see these.
Yeah. it'll be
Okay.
great.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We have Doritos crunched up in the bag. We have this amazing, delicious hamburger mix that we're gonna put in with the Doritos. Peppers. Ta-da. Okay? Then we have some tomatoes and some lettuce. And some cheese, and some salsa and sour cream. Okay, salsa, little bit of sour cream. There we go. Then we have a fork. And we mix. I think we're gonna need to get some scissors and cut these bags.
And you can, yeah.
And roll them down.
Or roll them back, yeah. Mmm, that looks good.
Ta-da!
I can't wait.
With lettuce.
Yeah. Mmm, okay.
Yummy. And now it's time for a campfire. There's Zoe, chilling in her chair with her blankie. Got some s'mores for the fire later. Some hot diggity dogs. It's gonna be a good night.
So here we are on the St. Lawrence, and we're with Terry Lynn, Sandra, and Zoe's in TL's kayak, just laying there, falling asleep. Now, this is not ideal weather, really windy, but I assume we're going to, there's a little island up here with the Dr. Seuss tree, TL calls it. So when we get closer, I will have you guys come and join us as we're coming in on the island. And there's lots of these little islands throughout the parkway or throughout the St. Lawrence. Some are provincial, some are private. It's just a matter of grabbing a map and taking a look what's available. But this is going to be a long kayak trip, and it's going to be rough. So we'll see you in a little bit. So, quick update, we're about halfway across. It's not as bad as I originally thought.
And there is the Dr. Seuss tree. So we still have a little dodo between my legs here. I don't know if you can see all the birds in there. And the little sandbird that jumps out from the island. Lots and lots of birds. Canada geese, seagulls. I think they're called cormorants or something like that. All kinds of birdies up on the sandbar.
So here we are at the Dr. Seuss tree. Now this island, when we were here last year, we would have been on the island by now.
The wind.
No, because of the water levels.
Oh, really?
The water levels last year, remember, they were so low.
Oh, okay.
We were able to pretty well get off about this spot right here.
Oh,
Now,
okay. Wow, really?
yeah, now you have to go right up on the beach here.
Sure.
So I'm gonna give her a good run.
Someone's already here with a dog.
There's a rock right here.
I'm gonna go right there.
There's a rock right there. Come on. Okay, wait, come on. This side. Okay, straight, keep going. Perfect. I'll pull you in. So he doesn't have to get out for anything.
I can get out.
What do you think, Zoe? Yeah, it will be wet. Come here, Zoe. Over here. Come here. So, come on. We'll get you in the boat. Come here. Come here. Zoe, come. Come.
Hello.
Come here. Zoe, come. Look it. Come on. Come here. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. No, 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 no. See, this is what...
Zoe, come on. Let's go for a drive. Let's go. Let's go for a drive. Come on, let's go.
Go see her.
Take a puggle.
Go see her. She's right there.
Come on.
Go on this side.
This way.
This side. There you go.
This way. This way. Good girl. And this way. Here, I'm gonna lift you. I'm gonna lift you. Sit down. Lie down.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Thank you. Good job. Lovely girl.
Okay. Goodbye, Dr. Seuss Island. And so he's in the... And here we go. And there's TL and Zoe right up there. Oh, that is so awesome.
Having a ball. I love this.
So here we are, just in the St. Lawrence. Oh, look at that. And we're just sitting here floating along. And Zoe is for the first time. So, if anybody's worried, we're only in about 2 feet of water, so if we were to fall in, Zoe, we'd be able to grab her and throw her back in.
Oh, look, it's not even.
It's not
full
even
of the
too.
paddle.
Yeah. So we're in really shallow. So, but yes, we have to get her a life jacket, and that's going to be first on the list.
Because she likes.
Because we did not know she would enjoy this. Zoe is not one for new adventures, and this one, look at that. I am so impressed.
She's a changing puggle.
She is a changing puggle. Yeah. Okay. All right. We got to get going before Sandra gets way ahead of us. Love you, Zoe.
Another amazing weekend at McLaren Campground. Thanks for watching our videos. And if you like this one, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for our next one.